Hello and welcome to this AWS Lambda and the Serverless Framework course. My name is Stefan and I'll be your instructor for this class. I'm very excited to have you here, and before we go deep into AWS Lambda and the Serverless Framework, I want to introduce the course, talk about the objectives, some prerequisites, and an overview of AWS Lambda. So here are the course objectives. We're going to learn about AWS Lambda in and out. We're going to learn about Lambda functions, about the architecture, about events, and the pricing of Lambda. Then we're going to learn about the serverless framework. And that will help you to decide how to deploy a Lambda function, and also how to iterate in development when you do create Lambda function, how to clean your stack, meaning how to remove everything you've created if you wanted to. And then finally, we'll have some real world examples when I show you how to basically build a whole Lambda service in AWS Cloud. So I hope you're excited. We have a few lectures about basically laundry items such as course prerequisites and so on. And then in the next entire section will be started on the AWS Lambda. So hope you're excited, and so I am. See you in the next lecture.